Have you ever wondered about the role of bees in agriculture, particularly in the lush orchards of Vietnam? These tiny, buzzing creatures hold a significant responsibility in nurturing our environment. They're not just honeymakers, they are key players in the world of agriculture. In fact, their buzzing around Vietnamese orchards has a much bigger purpose. It's all about pollination, a critical biological process that has a profound impact on our food supply. To understand this, we first need to delve into the fascinating process of pollination. Pollination, in simple terms, is the transfer of pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. It's Mother Nature's ingenious way of ensuring plant reproduction, an intricate dance of life that has been happening for millions of years. Now, let's take a closer look at how this process unfolds. Picture a bee, buzzing from flower to flower. As it lands on a bloom, it brushes against the flower's stamen, the male reproductive organ. The stamen is tipped with pollen, and some of this pollen sticks to the bee. When our bee friend visits the next flower, some of this pollen rubs off onto the flower's pistil, its female part. This transfer of pollen, this is pollination. But why are bees so vital to this process? Well, bees are nature's foremost pollinators. They are uniquely equipped for this task, with their fuzzy bodies that easily pick up pollen and their flight patterns that ensure they visit many flowers in a short span of time. There are many types of bees, each with their own unique way of pollinating. Honeybees, for instance, are masterful at cross-pollination, transferring pollen between different plants. Bumblebees, on the other hand, perform what's known as buzz pollination, shaking the pollen loose from certain flowers with their powerful wing vibrations. Now that we understand the importance of bees in pollination, let's move our focus to the Vietnamese orchards. In Vietnam, orchards are not just about trees and fruits, they are also about bees. These tiny creatures play a monumental role in the life cycle of the orchards, going about their work with a diligence that is nothing short of inspiring. Bees are the unsung heroes of Vietnamese orchards, responsible for the pollination of a wide variety of fruit trees. With over 1,000 species of fruits grown in Vietnam, from the common mango and banana to the exotic dragon fruit and rambutan, bees are the vital link that allows these fruits to grow and flourish. As bees flit from flower to flower, they collect nectar for their hive. In the process, they inadvertently pick up pollen on their bodies, which they then transfer to the next flower they visit. This transfer of pollen, known as pollination, is crucial for the fertilization and growth of fruits. The diversity of fruit trees in Vietnam is staggering, and most of them rely heavily on bee pollination. From the apple orchards in the north to the durian plantations in the south, bees are a common sight, buzzing about their business with unerring dedication. Their role extends beyond just pollination. Bees also help to increase biodiversity by pollinating wild plants, contributing to the rich and varied flora of Vietnam's countryside. Without these buzzing workers, the Vietnamese orchards would not be as productive as they are now. Bees are more than just honey producers, they are the backbone of Vietnamese orchards. These buzzing dynamos are essential pollinators that breathe life into our crops, cultivating the rich diversity of fruits that grace our tables. Without them, our agricultural landscape would be a barren canvas, devoid of the vibrant hues of lychees, dragon fruits, and pomelos. The potential consequences are grave, threatening both our food security and biodiversity. So the next time you enjoy a juicy fruit from Vietnam, remember to thank the bees for their hard work.